Whew, it has been a hot, sunny day. I've been out doing yard work. Oh, isn't this lovely? Whew. Oh, I think my foot hit a rock. Didn't know what that was. Thought we might see some squirrels or something, but they're in hiding right now, I guess. So nice. I could fall asleep. So, as I said, this is the little river in Townsend, Tennessee, just outside the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. There's an entrance just like 2 minutes up the road. This is a lovely summer evening. You can hear the cicadas or katydids